Hey everybody, what do you think? Rosie in a onesie there, one piece, really high cut sides here, swimsuit, and I really like it. You know, I've had this thing for quite a while, but I haven't quite been in the mood, for frivolity and frivolity because of all the fires and things and just the COVID-19. But guess what? Rosie's starting to feel frisky now. What do you think? Kind of cute, huh? Red, white, and boom. I really like this. I think it's a pretty cool look. I like the stars and stripes. It reminds me of the girls that work down on the Fremont Street getting their pictures taken and things like that. So, thank you very much to the wonderful subscriber who sent this to me. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you guys approve. Thanks, everybody.